You like my ratchet face? Is that good? I think I'm Miley Cyrus. I'm kidding. What's going on? It's Go Where Hip Hop. Julian on the radio. Right now we're actually at the end of Phoenix Fashion Week with my guy Zach from Medium Clothing Company. What up, Zach?
Not much. Zach from Medium Apparel, son. Get it right.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, tell me the difference between Medium Apparel and Medium Clothing Company. I mean, is it just what you choose, or?
Yeah, it's what I'm registered as in my website and stuff. So
We'll go with Medium Apparel. All right, so you actually know it's kind of funny because I feel like I know this guy because he and I have been talking like a lot off camera. When people say streetwear, define that right now for people.
to me, like streetwear nowadays is such a broad spectrum. Like you can be a middle-aged man that's wearing a fresh, dope button-up, or you can be a kid wearing a graphic tee. It's all how you put it together, to me, is how streetwear is.
Okay, so people don't know, I mean, they visually don't know what medium clothing is yet.
Yeah.
How do you define it for someone that's, first, actually just seeing this for the first time?
Medium Apparel is a borderless global brand. We're trying to build a culture that's based off of arts, hip-hop, and streets.
Right, but how do you, like, for example, your clothing? Tell some of the clothing that you make.
Okay.
Are you cut and sew? Are you, you're doing a lot of graphic tees?
Right now, we're in graphic tees. We're transitioning into cut and sew. My goal is to eventually do more cut and sew than we do t-shirts, but we're doing it slow and smart. We're not going big and broke.
Okay, now I like that. That rhymes, actually.
Thank you.
That's good. Now, you're born and bred in Arizona.
I am.
Okay, now, real quick, tell the story of how you actually got into this fashion scene. The story of how you. Yeah.
So in 2011, I entered a contest for Rockaware clothing. It was called the Next Contest. They had like 7 categories. I entered for visual artist and I won. They flew me out to New York, did a photo shoot with me. I met Jay, toured the headquarters.
Jay, who's that?
I'm sorry, we're on a first name basis. Jay-Z.
Jay-Z, is he famous? Or?
He makes a little bit of music every once in a while. But yeah, so I met Jay, toured the headquarters, and like Rockaware really made me fall in love with fashion, and I came home like with a passion, like this is what I wanted to do.
You think fashion, have you noticed that there's people dress differently, like the whole streetwear scene or the lifestyle scene is different from the Midwest to the East Coast to the West Coast?
Oh, I think for sure. We definitely have an East Coast feel. Like, second people see our stuff, they're like, oh, are you from New York? Like, I make stuff that's with big, bold graphics, stuff that you would picture someone wearing Tim's with. Whereas, like, West Coast brands, you could picture the kid with SBs and stuff like that.
Why is that?
I don't know, man. Like, the West Coast is like beach and sun and surf, and the East Coast is just grimy city stuff.
Nice. All right, so what are the big plans for coming up for 2014?
So I'm hoping to do some agenda trade shows, get into some stores. I got a few secret plans in the work with some big brands, but I can't announce it yet.
Do you plan on getting into shoes and stuff like that, or first apparel?
No, expand the cut and sew. In the next couple years, I'd like to get into denim, really just push the brand.
Well, did you go up to certain designers or brands you kind of look up to, or you kind of just do your own thing?
Yeah, I'm a huge fan of Rocksmith. Like, immediately when people see my stuff, I say I hang like Rocksmith. Like, Rocksmith is a true inspiration for me. I'm also a fan, obviously, of Rockaware. Just like, I love the premium cut and sew they do. That's something I aim to achieve one day.
Now, at the end of the day, I know you want to go national. We got to go? Okay, one more question. I'm sorry. At the end of the day, I know you want to go national, but you got to start off with Arizona, right?
That's right. Yeah.
I'm sorry. Do you think Arizona is? Do you think it's at that level for premium cut and sew at this point?
I don't know if it's at that level yet, but I'm trying to open Arizona's eyes to streetwear. Like, it's not a huge scene yet, but I'm putting it on my back and introducing them to them.
Yeah, you're definitely the first. What's the cost price on things? Are these things affordable? Are we talking about like Pyrex prices? You know what I mean?
Oh no, my T-shirts and stuff like $25, real affordable.
So it's not $300.
Yeah.
Good.
I got varsity jackets for winter, $80, like super reasonable. So check us out.
Okay, one last question. What do you think about? You don't need to. You don't want to answer the question. It's fine. What do you think about designers that are stamping really cool slogans and names and charging $500 for a sweatshirt, $300 for a T-shirt?
Can I cuss real quick?
Yeah, go ahead.
They're fucking punks.
Cool. Where can people see the clothing? Where can people buy the clothing?
www.mediumapparel.com. From there, we have links to all our sites we're on, the stores we're in. It's the best place to find us.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Zach. Medium
Apparel.
I got it.
Thanks, man.
Good, man.